Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Time's 133rd edition release. And I am going to show you all of the products that she came out with, and then afterwards you'll see all of the things that I created throughout this week. So starting out, we have the Fun Birthday Paper Pack. Love this set. I think this is my favorite set so far that she's came out with. I love this. So it comes with 24 sheets, 2 each of 12 designs. So love the set. So let's jump in and show you how that looks. Let's start out with the first page. Let me just bring that up a little bit more close because I love that. Oh my gosh, the birds are so whimsical. And then there goes the next one. This one has some music notes on there. And then that gingham pattern that's kind of diagonal. And then we have some flowers. And another page that's very whimsical. I love this. It's just so cute. And then there goes another color that has the music notes. And look at that one with the strawberries. Just so cute. And that says happy birthday to you if you can't see that. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then the flowers and more music notes. And if you can see on there, it says happy birthday to you. And then we have yellow here with that pattern there. And then this one here. And then she brought in all the colors that she used within this paper pack. There goes the pink and that color there. Love, love, love this paper. And this one, and then look at the celebration little streamers. Oh, love that page, all that confetti. And then there goes the back side of that. And then of course she has some images here that you can cut out. If you have her 3x3 circle dies, it'll fit these. I don't have that yet. I really need to pick that up, but yes, so this is what will coordinate with that 3x3 circle die. And then that one, and then of course she has some dies that will coordinate with this page. And then there goes this one here. That's very, very light shade of pink. And love this one. All the wood grain with all the different colors. So pretty. And there goes the back side of that. It has the flowers on that, and then it repeats. Okay, so next up we have the stamp set here. And you can take a look at all of those sentiments on there. Just so cute. Love the whimsicalness of this cupcake and the birds, if that's a word. I love it. And then, of course, here goes the dies that also coordinate with the paper, and it coordinates with the stamp set. Joyous Birthday is the name of that set. And then she have the heart alphabet dies, and these are just too cute. I'm trying to decide what way to show you. This way. There you go. And it has little hearts in there. So cute. And then we have some banner dies. So we have the stitch banner dies here that'll coordinate with the pretty scallop banner dies. And this is going to be sold separately, but love, love, love how they turned out. And look at that. That looks like her previous little pretty scallops that she has like the ovals and the circles to go with it. Just so cute. Rectangle as well. So love that set too. I'm so excited about. Let me show you if I can get this. Here we go. She made another 3x3 square card dies. And look at that. Look at that little cake on there. And the little scallop oval there. Just too cute. And then it also has a strawberry to go with it. And then these are extra little layering pieces. And this does work with the 3x3 envelope die set too. And last but not least, we have the pretty scallop rosette. So she has used that scallop rosette again on both sizes. One's a little smaller, circles and hearts to go with that. And then there's little hearts within the scallops. Love that. Okay everyone, I am back and I have created all of my projects that I used throughout this week. showcasing my Creative Times 133rd release. And if I didn't say, congratulations, Emma, on your 13th year of being in business. I have enjoyed you throughout the years and I have followed you from the beginning. Just want to say congratulations once again. Starting out on day one, I used her 6x6 paper pack, which was the Fun Birthday paper pack, and the Joyous Birthday Stamp and Dies. That's what we showcased on the first day. I also used some of her older sets, which were the Pretty Scallop Tall tag dies, as well as the layers, and then the medium cup die there. The papers came from that 6x6 paper pack, and that is very cute. Day two, we were to showcase banners and rosettes. So let's start out with the present box. So I used her present box die, her new rosette dies, which has that little heart in there, if you can see it. It's really cute. And it has the same pretty scallop layers on the outside of that rosette. I also used her eyelet doily die and her mini bow dies. And then there goes the smaller rosette. So she has two different sizes there. Really, really cute. I also made an A2 size card using that smaller rosette. I also used the eyelet doily dies. I used two of them, two different sizes, the small one and the medium one. And the medium one I did in silver. This came from her paper pack here. And I just used the die from the Joyous Birthday Stamp and Die set. And then that came from that same Stamp and Die set. And I used her cute papers around about. And then these are her banner dies. I used the layers as well as the Pretty Scallop banner dies there. Really cute. And the inside, I just added a strip of that paper there. Really, really cute. Third day, we were to use her heart alphabet dies. Love those, just too cute. As you can see it there, I'm just kind of showing you. I did use her paper pack from last month, which was the springtime paper pack, but I did use the Fun Birthday paper that she released this month. And so this, and this is from that paper there. And then I also used her fun circles because I didn't have I don't have her 3x3 circles yet. I need to get those really bad, but I did use the fun circles to cut that out. And then her eyelet doily die I used there, and then I also used the rosette, and I just used it as a layering piece coming across there. Use her tall frame dies. I apologize, tall frame dies for that. So, oh, and this little sweet friend came from her cookie, what was it called? Cookie cutter Stamp and Dies there. So that's why I used that. And then to cut that out, because I kind of masked it off, I used the More Sentiment strips there. So really like how that turned out. You can make some quick, easy cards with her little cutouts. Just really cute. And then there goes that little strip that I added in the inside. Then on the fourth day, I used almost everything in her 3x3 square card dies. And turned out really cute. I made a little shaker. Used almost everything, like I said, the strawberry, the cake, the little scallop plate there, and the scallop rectangle, as well as that the rounded rectangles to create my shaker card. It was so quick and easy. And then I used that little scallop in the inside there. Just really, really cute. All right, so those are my projects. Make sure you head over to Emma's channel. I have the links down below, as well as that discount code for you to use, as well as all of my design team sisters. So make sure you head over and visit and see what they have created as well. And don't forget to pick up that discount code so you can get 15% off your entire purchase. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. Check out all the pictures at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.